1, good luck.
I just noticed that Isaac Shipper has got busted cup spray painted on the side of his van. I love it. And go! They're still going with 21 Will Rogers, the 46, that's Isaac Shipper, the 52, the Wolverine. Right now, much big hit's going to go on between the three of them. They are all just, the fans are tired. Well, at least they're all trying to blow up their engines together. So, who made the last hit? That's going to be the key right now because 21 Will Rogers is done. He's booked.